Hey Joe heads! Welcome back to the channel where we dive into the hottest rides hitting the streets. Today, we're exploring a blast from the past reborn for the future, the all-new 2025 Toyota Sera. This car is more than just a nod to its 90s predecessor. It's a modern marvel packed with futuristic tech, eye-catching design, and that unmistakable Sera vibe. The 2025 Toyota Sera is a visual stunner, perfectly blending retro charm with contemporary aesthetics. The first thing that grabs your attention: those iconic butterfly doors. Yes, they're back, and they're more impressive than ever. The Sera's aerodynamic profile, paired with futuristic LED headlights and a sculpted body, makes it stand out in any crowd. It's a design that screams innovation while paying homage to the original 90s legend. But this beauty isn't just about looks. Under the hood, the 2025 Sera packs a punch with its hybrid powertrain. A 2.0 liters turbocharged engine, paired with electric motors delivering a combined 250 horsepower. Step inside, and you'll find an interior that's as futuristic as the exterior. The cockpit is driver-focused with a large, high-definition digital display that controls everything from navigation to climate settings. The infotainment system is state-of-the-art, featuring a 12-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even a customizable digital assistant. So, how much will this futuristic ride set you back? The 2025 Toyota Sera starts at around $35,000, making it an affordable option for those looking to blend style, performance, and technology. The 2025 Toyota Sera is more than just a car. It's a statement. A perfect fusion of past, present, and future that promises to turn heads wherever it goes. So what do you think? Is the Sera the car of your dreams? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button if you're as hyped about this car as we are. Thanks for watching, Joe heads. Make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more deep dives into the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Until next time, keep those engines revving.